starting to lose your head. You want a doctor who really cares, who will get you the results you need from your very first surgery.
It's only 6 months, and hair transplants continue to mature over the course of 12 to 18 months. So there are textural changes to look out for as time goes on. Now we're going to focus on the donor area. See, the hair was primarily taken from the donor area. As you can see, the nape was completely harvested after surgery. And you can see how uneventful it looks. There's no sign of any surgery whatsoever. A crew cut can be done with this kind of surgery with no visible signs of surgery to be seen.
Make you comfortable as can be. Just relax and read a magazine. Coffee and donuts are always free.